Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best free Kwgt Music Widget for Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Play Store and just search for Kwgt, and on the first list you'll see the application. Just click on it. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download this Kwgt custom widget maker, and after that once again open the Play Store and just search for this music widgets for Kwgt Pro. So I'll be leaving this application's download link in the video description, so you can click there and directly visit to this website link. After installing both this application, just tap and hold on your home screen. Click on widgets, scroll down below and select this Kwgt. Just click on it. Select the widget size, whichever size you want. So let me select one widget here and place the widget wherever you want to place. Now just click on this widget. Now select the recently installed music widget. So this is the music widget. Just click on it. Now you will see here tons of various styles of music widgets, so you can select depending upon your needs whichever music widgets you want. So you can see here tons of music widgets available inside this app. So say I want to add this widget, so just click on it. Now just click on this save option. Now you can minimize it. Now just tap and hold on it. You can resize the widgets. So you can see I've added the widgets. So in my opinion, it's one of the best free Kwgt music widgets for Android smartphones and tablets that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.